I really don't think many Australians have actually lived in a house that has been designed for the elements, and it really is so comfortable to experience living in this house. It's a different way of living. The house is warm. If there's been a little bit of summer sun, the sun's come right in and it's warmed up the house. And actually, I haven't had to use any heating because of that beautiful passive solar element. I've got some bladder water tanks underneath the house. There's the main living section, and then there's also my guest nest, which is a great space for friends and family to come and stay for short-term stays or longer-term stays. I've got a friend living there at the moment while she builds her house, and it's so great to be able to share the space, but also to have each of us to have our own spaces, but to be able to live comfortably in a small area as two separate adults. The house is made of corrugated iron or ColourBond and steel, and it's a different way of thinking about sustainability, I think, because if you can have a house that lasts for 400 years and then at the end of that 400 years those materials can be recycled, then that really becomes sustainable. The longevity makes this house sustainable, so I really like that aspect. The connection with nature that you feel here on the inside of the house, there's the beautiful recycled floorboards, and it's timber lined with plywood. So you have a really natural kind of earthy feel inside the house. And then when you look out the windows, you see nature. You see the beautiful wetlands, the bird life, and the bay in the distance. And it really feels incredibly connected to nature, and I'm so happy with that because I'm a big nature lover.